Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your dynamic contrast settings on Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that we'll need to press the home button on our Pilot. It's located right here, and then start navigating with buttons with arrows on it. It's in the middle of our Pilot right here. So move up to the settings, press OK, then go to the system, press OK again. From here go to the left and find picture. Now scroll all the way down till you select the advanced settings, press OK to confirm it, and from here you can change the dynamic contrast from medium to high to off or maybe low. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.